Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and let's take a look at a few different multi-use ladders for your home. A few years ago, we did a review on this Dewalt DXL 2090-22, and it's just a multi-purpose ladder that can be used in an A-frame, it can be used in multiple different positions on stairs, and it can become an extension ladder. It folds up into an approximately 5-foot long ladder, so you can put it in a truck and do anything you want with it. I absolutely fell in love with this ladder and use it still to this day on just about everything. My only complaint is this style of ladder. It's all aluminum, but it's still a little bit heavy. But it comes down to a nice size where you can move it around the house and you don't have much issue getting around places, even though there's a little bit more weight there. In needing another ladder, I started looking around at what's on the market, trying something different, and I found that Little Giant makes something very similar. And once I brought it home and looked at the two next to each other, I found that they're more than similar, they're darn near identical. In doing some research and confirming this, I found out that Dewalt hired Little Giant to make their ladders, so there are some differences between the two, but they are minuscule. That is surprising to me because I've always kind of hated the Little Giant infomercials, but since I've had the Dewalt ladder for a long time and loved it, I decided to give one a try. And these two ladders are virtually identical. What I wanted to do today is kind of go through some of the Little Giant features, show you something that's a little different on the Dewalt, let you guys make your decision as to what you might want, but also give you a little overview of what these ladders are good for and useful for. First, they fold up, like I said, 5 feet tall. You can store them in your garage. They can become a 22-foot tall extension ladder. But even more than that, they're versatile, so you can use them on stairs or unlevel surfaces. That's huge around the house, hanging pictures, doing just about anything, especially if you have a basement or a second story. The big difference that I found between this leveler, the Little Giant ladder, and the Dewalt is their rapid lock system on Little Giant. There's a plastic cover here where the Dewalt just has a U pin. And this pin needs to be engaged in a little bit more tight tolerances to get it into place. It just doesn't slide back in. Not that that's a problem. I've always felt that this ladder is very sturdy, and it's just as sturdy as the Little Giant. I think they just designed this new rapid lock system to be a little bit faster. To fold either one of these ladders up, they have the identical push pins on top. Push them in, roll it in. It is set and locked in position to open it up. Do the same thing in reverse. Both of them have what I'll call rollerblade style wheels on the bottom, so you can roll them around as long as you're on fairly hard surfaces. These are not job site ladders per se because of their weight and because of the way that they have their legs on the bottom. But you can easily use them on the job site as we use them as extension ladders, and they perform, in my opinion, better than a normal extension ladder because they're a little bit more sturdy. These are a 300-pound rated ladder. In my opinion, I feel more comfortable getting up on one of these than a lighter weight extension ladder. And while being used as an extension ladder, the other thing that drew me to the Little Giant was their leg levelers. They're a ratcheting leveler, so if you're off center at all, up to 7 inches, you can push that leg down and it will help straighten your ladder out. That's huge because if you're outside working on something, trying to get up on the roof, it's perfect as long as you're in the extension ladder position, because obviously in the A-frame now we have one leg that's off the ground. Now if you want to spend a little bit more money and deal with the weight, you can get the levelers on all 4 corners, which would then be ideal for an A-frame ladder. Awesome little ladders that I can't say enough about if you're doing something at home. If you're the kind of guy who says, hey, I want to go out and clean my gutters, I want to be able to work on stairs, and I want to have one small ladder that's going to work around the whole house and do everything for me, not store extension ladders outside, not do anything else but have this one ladder, this is it. And I don't want to sound like an infomercial because I absolutely hated it, but after having this Dewalt for 2 years, I went out and spent the money to have a second one so I didn't have to carry them back and forth from the shop to home, and I love these things. So check them out. Leave some comments below if you have one of these ladders, what you think. And the only downside, again, is the weight. If you're used to carrying around a fiberglass ladder, you're gonna be surprised when you pick these up. They're about 40 pounds. So at least they feel that. They might be in the high 20s, but they're a fairly heavy ladder to move around. So again, guys, make sure you follow us on social media, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Leave some comments below about what you think about these ladders. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.